Hello from Garbage Garage. So, not much happened with my Suzuki. I did some brake bleeding brakes. Also changed spark plugs and some crankshaft sensor. But just maintaining stuff. But today is a different day. Today we have good thing. Today we'll have at last some nice modifications. We have set of lowering springs and some 13-inch wheels. Let's see how it goes on that Suzuki. And my camera ran out of storage, so I had to stop there. But the thing that all went well, and now my Suzuki looks better now. Yep, like this. So yeah, it looks nice now, and the result is, I think, the exact thing that I was looking for. Not too much of lowering, pretty in the sweet spot, and the wheels are good. 7 inches is enough, and a little bit of, they're going a little bit off, but not too much. We'll see after the winter. Maybe I'll put some I don't know how they call fender expanders or whatever, wheel arches thing, somewhat there. Yeah, and now it's fine for me. Very good. Low in the back. So now it's missing the last thing. I have it somewhere in this pile of garbage. Let me find it. Yep, I found it, and it's TSURIKAWA ring. I don't know how to pronounce it good, but yeah, I promised to myself when I will lower my Suzuki I'll put this on, so let's see how it looks there. Awesome. Now looks good. A little bit of GDM in my EDM Suzuki. So yeah, that's it for now. Let's see you next time on Garbage Garage.